Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 11th of December 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do not forget to subscribe it and also press the bell icon button so that you can get the forex trading analysis updates from my side. Okay guys, we have another very good successful day with forex trading. Three of the signals hit massively on the chart, and I'm going to talk about the three signals, but I will also talk about the Euro USD, which is the losing trade of the day. Okay guys, you know that we do not talk about the losing trades in our videos, but I'm going to talk about the losing trade today because it will help some traders to understand that how to trade my signals in the right way. So first of all, this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. And guys, the first signal on Euro USD was bearish from my side from 110812, and 110582 was the target price. It means that I was expecting that the market can drop up to that level. But what happened? This candle was closed below. It was supposed to go further down, but what happened on the next candle? The market has pumped up. So guys, this happens sometimes in the forex market because all of the signals are never going to hit the target price, and all the time my signals cannot be as good as you think. So it happens sometimes that the market can reverse into another direction. Now still you can be very successful, like we have closed the day very successfully today. So it does not mean that your one trade has gone against you, so you should exit at a reasonable stop loss. So we have manually closed the trade because the market went against us. So it went outside the barriers of the entry. That means that the market has not followed our signal. So here we cannot wait and we cannot let our trade to go into another direction and keep on going up until our account get blowed. So this is the common mistake that most of the people do in their trading. Never let your trade blow your account. This is the first mistake that normally all of the traders make that I have seen in my trading career. So the 768 is the very reasonable loss to handle at this situation. Now let's talk about the profitable trades of the day. Now you can recover such losses on the second trade. If you have followed New Zealand USD, I was bullish on this pair. I'm going to take you towards the chart. Okay. Now look at New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD has clearly went up, and 065317 was the bullish entry and 065471 was the target price. And guys, now you can see right from the entry, this candle was closed above the entry. Now this is the safest point to enter into the trade because the candle is closed above the entry. So it's giving you a signal that the market can go into the same direction. Now look what happened. It straight went up and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So we have let the market go into our direction, and we have caught the massive profit by trading New Zealand USD. So guys, you should have patience. It does not mean you have caught one candle and then you are going to exit from the market. But if you see that the momentum is very slow, like for example, if we talk about these 3 to 4 candles, the momentum was slow. So in such scenario, if you received one single bullish long candle, then you should exit. But whenever you see such a sweet pattern that the market is going on, then you can take the chance on a trade and let the trade open so that it can give you a very good profits. Okay, so it means that we have closed our day in a very profitable way on New Zealand USD. At next, we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. That's the most volatile pair. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the Great Britain Pound JPY signal. My signal was bullish from 142882 and 143348 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry, if you look at here, this candle was closed above the entry and then the market started to go up and this candle has touched the target price. So overall, I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on Great Britain Pound JPY. They must be in very good profits by taking the buy positions. So this is all about the patience regarding the market, and you should not get hesitated with the single loss on a trade. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, which is also a very good pair to trade, and AUD JPY with a bullish expectation from 74174 and 74391 was the bullish target price. And guys, you can see now, look at here. Look at the entries. This candle was closed above the entry. That was the safest point to enter into the trade. From the next candle, you have taken the trade. And look, it straight went up. And there you cannot see even a single bearish candle in a row. And you can see the market has straight went up. And guys, this is how we utilize our signals. So if you ask me that how how much is the total profit for the day, it's almost 9500 approximately the profit that you can see on by, if you calculate, if you add up these three and minus 768, you can find that you can do a very good trading. And if you have a good dreams in your mind, you can come them true with forex trading. That's not that's, you cannot say that this is not this is a very good approach. You can make money with forex trading, but it requires some patience. It requires a good trading system. It requires a good signals provider, and everything you need to be set up for the forex trading. So guys, let's say the market is going up right now. So the trading system indicates that from the top red boundary you need to take the sell positions. But right now you can see the market is making the bullish pattern. So it's foolish to take a sell trade because it's making the bullish pattern. So let the bullish pattern stop and then you will enter into the sell trade. For example, let me take you an example here. Let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain that how to use this trading system. Now look at here. The market was making the bullish pattern. It went into the top red boundary, then it has received the rejection in this form, in the form of hammer. On the next candle it was going down, so it was a very good chance to enter here on the chart. And then you can see the Great Britain Pound JPY has gone down, and the blue levels and the lower red boundary stands for the oversold levels. And when the market enters into the oversold levels and then it starts to bounce up, then you can take a bullish trade in this manner. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. And moreover, when the scalper points you with the sell arrow in the form of red arrow, if for example if red arrow appears here, then this could be a very good trading setup and the market goes down. And look, just above the overbought sold levels, the market has given us a white arrow to buy the pair, and then the market has moved up. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. So guys, you can also be successful in forex trading and you can make very good money with it. And you can you can see that I have talked about the things with proof. So guys, if you want to join the signal service that I am providing to the subscribers in the morning, if you want to get this trading system, this powerful trading system, it is a must tool that a trader should have with you. So if you are interested in subscribing to the signals list, if you are interested in getting this trading system, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype to one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that today AUD JPY is bullish, bearish, and whatever about the rest of the pairs, how I come to know about this is simply based on a trick. And if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for 3 days on Skype for $700, and you will be able to generate your own signals on any pair. And that's a very simple trick that does not require a lot of knowledge from you. It's based on a very simple methodology, and you will be able to generate your signals after 3 days. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.